Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Chevy Cruze shift knob. Start by parking securely and engaging the parking brake, then inspect the knob for visible screws or a collar. Use a soft cloth to protect trim and a small flat tool to pry trim clips gently if needed. Keep pliers handy for threaded knobs and avoid forcing plastic to prevent breaks. Work patiently and test reassembly before driving. When the knob is threaded, start by holding the base of the boot firmly to keep tension off the shifter. Grip the knob and turn counterclockwise with steady pressure, protecting finishes with a cloth if you use pliers. If it resists, apply a penetrating spray sparingly around the joint and wait a few minutes. Once loose, lift straight up to remove, keeping track of any washers or adapters for correct reinstallation later. For clip or screw-style knobs, peel back the boot carefully to expose any set screws or retaining clips. Use the correct sized hex key or screwdriver to loosen screws without stripping them and set screws aside safely. If clips hold the knob, work a thin pry tool around the collar evenly to release all clips before lifting straight up. Keep parts organized and remember which orientation the knob came off for accurate reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.